Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW X6. First, use your key fob to unlock the doors. Once inside, make sure the gear selector is in park. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors to ensure a comfortable and safe driving position. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start and a pleasant driving experience. Next, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle, typically in a cup holder or a specific slot, so the car can detect it. With the key fob detected, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. You should see various dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the vehicle's electrical system is active and ready for ignition. This step is a safety measure. Now, with your foot still on the brake pedal, locate the Start/Stop button, usually found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. Press this button once. You will hear the engine crank and then smoothly come to life. Wait a moment for the engine to settle into its idle before engaging a gear. Your BMW X6 is now running and ready to drive. When you're finished driving, bring the vehicle to a complete stop and shift the gear selector into park. Then, simply press the Start/Stop button again to turn off the engine. Remember to take your key fob with you and lock the doors for security. It's a good habit to double-check that all lights are off before leaving your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.